Billions of tubes of toothpaste are produced every year around the world. Toothpaste is made up of abrasives that scrub your teeth clean. It's amazing how much roca it takes to make toothpaste, but how do they mix such hard minerals into a soft paste? What about mint toothpaste, and how do they get the stripes? We visited the Colgate factory to find out how one of the world's most popular toothpastes is made. Colgate is a brand of toothpaste that helps prevent problems such as tooth decay and bad breath. Today, it is sold in supermarkets and some other small businesses in over 150 countries around the world. Colgate's history dates back to the early 19th century. William Colgate, an English immigrant, founded what is now known as Colgate, which would become one of the most recognized oral care brands in the world. In 1806, he started a modest soap and candle business in New York. Colgate's dedication to quality and innovation soon led to the expansion of his products. In the mid-19th century, the company began producing scented soaps and toothpaste, products that would be key to the company's future success. The first toothpaste packaged in a tube was introduced in 1873, marking a milestone in personal oral hygiene. At the time, toothpaste was sold in jars and was not as accessible or convenient as a tube. Colgate's focus on scientific research to improve the product led to the development of more effective and pleasant toothpastes. In the 20th century, the Colgate brand continued to innovate by introducing products such as fluoride toothpaste, which marked a significant step forward in the fight against tooth decay. Colgate's global expansion accelerated throughout the 20th century, and the company became the world leader in the oral hygiene market. Its presence has spread to many countries, becoming a staple in the homes of millions of people around the world. Modern toothpaste has many positive benefits, such as keeping teeth white and protecting against gum disease and cavities. The toothpaste manufacturing process combines both chemical and mechanical processes. Abrasives such as stones and sand are used to effectively clean teeth. The popular fluoride toothpaste began to be created in these modern factories. At the Colgate factory outside London, an industrial choreography takes place as the day begins. The factory produces 1 million tubes of toothpaste every day. The ingredients for toothpaste are brought into the factory by truck. There is huge demand for toothpaste around the world, which is why factories like this one have so much work. The factory receives the main ingredients to make toothpaste, including sodium fluoride to fight cavities, and abrasives like silica, calcium carbonate, or baking soda to clean. The process starts by processing the raw material bags, and within hours, they become finished toothpaste. Solvents and water serve to dissolve all these materials. Flavorings are also added for flavor and smell, coloring agents for aesthetics, foaming agents, binders for thickness, pH adjusters, humectants to prevent the cream from clumping, and preservatives to extend shelf life. These complexly named chemicals work toward a simple goal: protecting teeth from cavities. The specific amounts of each chemical are measured in large quantities. Measuring all of these substances in the correct amounts is no easy task, as some are used by the ton and others by the kilogram. Ingredients are precisely measured and mixed using a high-powered mixer. This mixer is a specialized machine designed to mix ingredients evenly. This is where powerful mixers come into play, capable of mixing large volumes at incredible speeds, moving 5 tons in just 5 minutes. Machines not only grind the raw ingredients, but also mix them with millimeter precision. At the heart of the process are giant mixers that spin to dizzying 2,500 revolutions per minute, equivalent to the force of a car traveling 30 kilometers per hour. In vats, the mixture is combined to form a dough-like substance. Once the ingredients are fully combined, they are sent to cook. The mixture must be heated in large pots. Aluminum is used to prevent unwanted chemical reactions in the toothpaste mixture. Each batch produces about 30,000 tubes. Precision is important. The mixture must be precise to avoid clumping, affecting the final quality. When you open the steamer, which looks like a large container filled with cream inside, you use a metal spatula to scrape off the excess cream that sticks to the mixing blade. Once the toothpaste has reached the desired consistency, it begins to move through the tubes into the pressure chamber, ready to be packaged. However, one important detail is that there are no stripes, and now it is time to add a little color. The mixture will form the characteristic multicolored stripes without staining the rest of the white mixture. This is a challenge. The answer lies in the lab, where experts ensure consistency by conducting viscosity tests to ensure the stripes remain intact and the toothpaste flows seamlessly from the tube to the brush. So the colored liquid is mixed with regular toothpaste. Although its synthetic red and blue hues may look unpleasant, it is completely safe for human consumption. Once combined with the base mixture, the final mixture is less noticeable and forms part of the squishy finish created by squeezing colored toothpaste tubes. Toothpaste comes in a variety of colors and flavors. Perhaps the most common and familiar is mint. Chemists incorporate these and other flavors into the blend using essential oils. By combining varying amounts of different essential oils, chemists can create virtually any flavor they desire. A dedicated testing department spends hours every day testing new flavors. Each batch is rigorously tested for flavor. Any change in viscosity can be disastrous, highlighting the importance of this process. This meticulous work culminated in confirming that the batch met viscosity standards, but there was one final mystery: inserting the stripes into the tubes. The toothpaste was pumped through the tubes to a filling machine, which measured and evenly dispensed the mixture into each tube. Each different color entered the system through a different tube. The machine could fill 180 tubes per minute. But how does toothpaste clean your teeth? There are two ways to clean your teeth: chemically and mechanically. The chemical method uses substances in toothpaste to react with bacteria and dirt on your teeth, helping to break them down and remove them, while also protecting your mouth from bacteria. The mechanical method works thanks to small particles in toothpaste. When you brush your teeth, these particles rub against the surface of your teeth, cleaning away plaque. Once the toothpaste tubes are filled, they are placed on a conveyor belt in groups of 15. The machine rotates each tube to ensure the markings on the tube are in the correct position. This is important because if not done correctly, the tube may not seal properly. Once the tubes are filled and sealed, they are marked and placed in boxes, ready for packaging. Each box contains 24 tubes of toothpaste that are weighed to ensure the correct weight, over 1,350 grams. Boxes that are lighter due to missing tubes are discarded. Only boxes that meet the standards are packaged and sold.